Welcome back, and it's time for the business review. Motorists will pay less at the pumps tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $2.46 less. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will see a $4.50 cutoff. Kerosene will go down by $4.50. Propane will cost $1.31 less, and $1.48 will be removed from the cost of butane. The local economy is projected to grow between 1% and 3% for the 2023-2024 fiscal year. Director General of the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PSOJ, Dr. Wayne Henry, says growth will continue to be led by the services sector.
Largely reflecting, one, a faster than expected pace of recovery in the previous fiscal year, leading to an earlier than anticipated normalization of output and a return to the long-term trend of growth. And two, a deterioration in the economic outlook for some of Jamaica's main trading partners, which has implications for our external demand.
Last month, the World Bank projected growth of 2% for the 2023-2024 fiscal year for Jamaica. The PSOJ says growth in the fiscal year should also be supported by increased capacity utilization in the mining and quarrying industry. And that's it for the Business Day. News from overseas in a few seconds.